rupees. Have some sense.
Da, 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 da.
Yes, sir. One samosa, 5 rupees.
Hey, one samosa, 10 rupees.
Behave like a lawyer, man.
You behave like a judge. Okay, get on.
Another chief justice.
Ready, boys and girls, come on. Hi.
Nalla nice.
I am believing in you that you will be taking me and your family. Mitra வந்து கல்லுல பக்கத்துல பார்த்தா நீ ரெஸ்பெக்ட் Three, two, one, go. Breeze. Now this is the official second day. Enjoy. Breeze. It's my responsibility to quickly give you a kind of a glimpse of what are the changes that we have gone for. We will start with Vedavashan. Vedavashan's name is Judge Tilak and he is a judge right now. And Naval's name is Judge Edwin and he is also in the judge panel right now. Balaji is Judge Philip and he is a chief judge. And the chief justice is Chakravarti. So yesterday Naval was playing Danger Jack and that role has been spun off and it has been given to Pranav. Jack Danger. Pranav will be our advocate and the Pocket Pandi role that was played by Vedavashan is being given to Krishna. So, and then Mitra has been playing Prachi. So when need arises, she will be spinning off as Prachi as well. But right now, she is both Mitra and Kalpita are having the kind of eligibility to speak according to the role that is given instantaneously. Yesterday, Kalpita was not given proper scope to speak. And today I have made her as live. So both Mitra and Kalpita are live today. And Darshan Siddharth is still remaining as Justice. And Kavin Raj is the sub-pro of Pranav. His name is Attorney Surya. So Kavin Raj.
Surya sir.
And Nitin will be the prosecutive assistant of all the judges. His name is Reddy.
Reddy Raidu.
Samasima.
Reddy Raidu.
Samasima.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನೀವೇ
ಬೇರೆ ನೀ ಅಪ್ಪ ಗೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸಮ ನೀನಾನ ಗೆಸ್ ನೀ ಪண்ற ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು சொல்றது தான் எனக்கு பண்ணிட்டேன்
अब இங்க வா அப்பட இங்க ஓகே
हां सर कम लेकिन फाइनेंस
हराल बाजी ये मार
मी लेकिन फाइनेंस कर
रेडी போங்க இங்க
प्रणव அன்னைக்கு அட்வர்டைஸ்மென்ட் லைக் ஜார்
இங்க பாருங்க இங்க உட்கார்ந்து
So since Krishnan is playing Pandi's role, I have given the spoiler who is who. So we both will be playing. And whenever Prachi is needed, we will.
பாலாஜி வேற பேசுறாரு ये हम जज्जाड़ा
When you go.
ये जज्जाड़ा
सर ठीक है
यार
Assistant. Ready? So now,
come here
வாடா இங்க வாடா நீ கவர் இப்படி வா
ஆஃபீஸ் கார்டர்
இப்படி வந்து டயகனலா அந்த கேமரா போட்டு போ
Sir, assistant is calling me down. Assistant is calling me down.
இங்க
கோட் டான் போட்டே சதஸ்
நீ அப்படி எல்லாத்தையும் வரவங்க வாட வாடன்னு போட்டு கட்டி வாங்கி
Sir, நான்
ராமால வந்து
Sir, எல்லாரும் கேளுங்க அண்ணா பண்ணு.
Please. Now, Chief Justice Chakravarti is giving the command to all the other people, his own teammates, that the case has not seen any progress and fasten the case so that we can arrive to the justice and we can punish the proper culprit. So that's how the scenes are. 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, respected judges.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
My nephew.
And that's his original name.
Talking about something new.
Unga Pandiya, Mona Garan.
Rocket Pandis. What?
Iron, with the kind of money that you have paid, it's high time you take us out of this place.
So, the case which was yesterday is being continued. Am I right, Your Honor?
Yeah, right.
No.
Well, we didn't get any progress from your side and opposite side.
And the research you made was awesome, sir.
What do you mean? They didn't do anything. The other,
Then
the
prove it.
objection, Your Honor.
The lady police has taken Prachi to a different investigation. She might be even tortured.
Yes.
So could you please release her and so that she can come and stand
Yes,
along
and
with
they
us?
didn't even get any evidences that they have done the.
Now time to produce all the evidence.
Apology. But you sent a fake.
Need a chance?
Yeah.
Stand up. I'm here to speak.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಜಡ್ಜ್
Sir, you told that you didn't do anything from what was the fake document?
Excuse me, we didn't have anything, any other things.
Any other thing to do, that's why.
Hey, I told you not.
Sir, he's using reference and all.
No. I apologize.
Sir, to be spent, not present.
Objection, Your
Not nice,
Honor.
sir.
No, sir. nothing.
Your Honor, yesterday we all saw the whole court, the members, the victims and also the evidence, everyone saw, the witnesses also saw that he was giving one sheet like something and that was meant for a research. And we haven't got any result, but now he's saying something new that this is not the case and they did not do anything.
Yeah, we get the research. Get the research.
Yes,
Sir, we did the research. Result, we are ready to review the result. Sir, what is the result, sir? I'm too sure. Yes, sir. உங்களுக்கு யாருக்கு சாதகமாக இருக்கோ அப்படி தேவைப்படுது
மூணு பேரும் அதாவது கிரைம் பண்ண மூணு பேருக்கு தூக்குறது அதான்
யாரே கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது
அதுதான் இவன் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்
அதான் சார் பண்றேன் சார் இப்போ.
இவன் மூணு பேரும் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்
அது question யோசிச்சு எடுத்துக்கேன் சார், வந்து கேட்குறேன்.
நீங்க அப்பப்போ ஏதாவது கொஸ்டின் கேட்கறது வச்சு கேட்குங்க
sir, நாங்க friend.
கம்ப்யூட்டர் பண்ணுவாங்க.
சரி நீங்க விசாரிக்கிறப்ப நான் டேய் ஆஃப் பண்ணு ஒரு கிளி பேரட்
என்னது
உன்னோட
சார் ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கு சார். ஆனா ரிப்பீட்டடா என்ன ரிலீக்ஸ்
அப்படியா சரி ஓகே அதாவது நீங்க என்கிட்ட கேட்கும்போது கொஞ்சம் நேரம் வந்துச்சுன்னா நான் கன்ஃபஸ் பண்ணுவேன் அதுல இருந்து நீங்க புரியுதா there are three culprits out of that saying there are three culprits தெரியும் இல்லையா ஒன்னு வந்து நகை அடிச்சது இன்னொன்னு வந்து ஸ்லோ பாய்சன் இன்னொன்னு கொலை மர்டர்
Confirm, sir.
I think the general ready, 3, 2, 1, start.
Okay, would you like to speak anything?
Would you like to speak anything? It's about your family.
Yes, sir.
Please.
So, first of all, Your Honor, I'd like to give a point on that fake doctor they had yesterday. So, yesterday, it was pretty obvious that if it was a fake doctor, then definitely our uncle has died because not died a natural death. And then why would they try to cover it up if they weren't the one who killed our uncle, Your Honor? So tell them to answer that.
Okay, who did it then? Tell us.
No
evidence from the both sides advocates.
My nephew keeps on shouting that he expired because of the lung problem.
Yes.
It is a perennial disease that he was suffering.
I didn't hold on. Sir, please
Excuse me?
answer this, sir. Hold on. Please answer this.
So anything is different from the official and the fake.
So, show the original link.
So it cannot possibly be coming from him.
Liars, officially you people are you're spending a lot of time on the irrelevant things of the case. You know, we both are businessmen. Okay. I'm a businessman. Right. I'm a businessman.
CC. Your Honor, can I go ahead?
Let him speak now first.
Please speak.
I am requesting you to focus on the area that has to be focused.
And you.
Right? There are three things that those people have accused. please understand there are three things that those people have accused. Okay, one is slow poisoning somebody, another one is taking away the jewels, and another one is murdering Mr. Rao. See, myself, Pandi, and my niece Prachi, who is injusticeably taken to the ladies' torture room. No, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Sir, put him in jail, sir. He's threatening your life, sir.
You are discussing.
Put him behind the box,
Yes,
sir.
my friend, how did you take that? Hey, give me.
Sir, he's a pickpocketing you.
I get in the
Sir, prepare the family, sir.
Mr. Tilak,
What, you're going to kill me?
the 500 rupees matter that we spoke, would you like to?
What for it? Don't try to distract.
What?
Come on.
No, 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 Mr.
Get in the case.
That was an undercover operation.
Yeah.
Please
500
Get
rupees.
in the case.
That was an undercover operation, Mr. Justice.
I'll give 30 rupees, sir.
Mr. Tilak, 500 rupees.
500 rupees.
What are you saying? Oh my God.
He's
Hey.
trying to help us to get out, and our sister is there. Your
Wait,
sister is
there
there.
you
Your friend is
go.
there.
No, no,
Sit
no,
down,
this
India.
This is amazing. Take you to Indian citizen.
Ask the Chief Justice.
Your Honor, please.
I'm standing here, can't you see that, sir?
Let us speak.
Nice
Let
point.
me speak.
Objection.
Objection overruled, so let it run over.
Objection overruled.
Please,
Okay, objection overruled. You sit down.
sit down, okay? We are going, where are you going?
Sir, closing the door, sir.
Okay.
Mosquito, sir.
Sir, no. We'll do.
Go.
Continue.
Your Honor, first,
Who gave you the ring?
Order.
Time.
Your Honor, first point. So the major one thing is about the slow poison. So the letter he has sent about the slow poison contains an official stamp. And now it is proven that that is not the official stamp. He has told the result.
Yes, that is favoring them only.
That's
No.
favoring them. Are you working for them or you?
What? That is not official, so
Then
they didn't do it.
he just trying to attack you on your sitting seat, please. Sir. How can you allow that?
Now we are going to a different point. Go ahead, sir.
Your Honor, may I speak?
Let us speak, sir. You sit down. We can speak later. See, objection overruled.
He's trying to divert the topic, sir. First,
You are only diverting the topic.
I am not diverting, sir. You're always misunderstanding me, sir.
Okay, explain.
Now, the major point from yesterday, the case is going on is about the slow poison. So until now, we haven't found even a single clue about the
We
murder.
didn't find that. You didn't find, okay?
Okay.
Yes, you didn't find any piece of evidence.
Okay, we didn't find any piece of evidence about both the murder case and the jewelry that case. But now, the major thing is about the slow poison and that letter. But now he's trying to divert the topic. He's trying to prove that her chick.
My niece, Prachi.
His niece, Prachi is in. Actually, you gave the permission for the lady police officer to take her.
Continue.
What is this?
Your Honor, what is this?
Continue.
What is what? That is an undercover operation. You
Undercover.
This is-
Take this to
You
us.
focus on the case,
That-
okay?
because
You
the
focus on
sun-
the case.
How can you have an association with the
What is
government?
Order! Order!
Sir, if you state that we can find any clue and we are ready for finding the clue.
Find the clue. Question it. I question it.
What undercover operation?
Hold on.
Objection over.
My nephew is speaking
We will
and
take
he wants
it.
to know what is it
We will
undercover.
take it. What?
Allow our lawyer to speak.
Please. They're speaking from an
Okay,
outside.
liar. Let her finish. You finish what you started. You were speaking.
We need to say it, okay? Continue.
Undercover, if you.
Hey, sure. Sit down.
What is this?
I don't know.
Sir, focus on the case.
Your Honor, if you state that undercover operation, we can find the clues we are
What
ready.
undercover?
What undercover operation? Now you told him, no, there is no more undercover
That's
operation.
our business. That's none of your business,
If
okay?
you
What
that
kind of
we can
business we
find
have
with
the
this?
big
You're not
criminal
a
violence.
You're not a fish
You
trader.
will go to jail or what?
Why do you have business with them?
Oh my God.
Okay, ma'am. You sit down.
Justice Chakravarti,
Thanks.
could I please plead that my lawyer may be allowed to speak?
No.
Come on.
Your Honor, Your Honor,
He needs to give permission. You wait. You sit down. You can sit down.
Suma.
2 minutes you can speak.
may I speak?
Yes.
She told that lawyer said that the main case is on this poisoning stuff. I have proof that he hasn't done it. First of all, ink is fake. So that's one clue. Second, how can that family say it was from him while the ink is not real, someone may want, someone else may wanted to kill them by writing his name, so he can get in danger. So you can't just blame us that. Please take us out of this case.
Just calm down. Yes, just
Super danger.
When you speak.
Sir, I would like to talk about the word and case, sir. Just now I received an information that Prachi person confesses that it was not, it was only Pandi and Prachi. So I think it would be fine if we have a further investigation.
we didn't receive that news.
Same name. What is the same name?
Tell that Prachi to come
Sir,
directly.
this is Steve.
Thank you. That is what we are
And
saying.
tell
Thank you,
Prachi
ma'am.
to
And
come.
draw
So
everything.
maybe you are not traveling us directly, you are traveling us indirectly.
We'll see all those.
Ma'am, my niece Prachi, she's also a girl like that.
Don't speak.
She's on, she wrote,
That is a demonstration.
Ain't you not recording the court?
All bodies are
I-
visited.
have you ever seen her with her Prachi? Because her face is very familiar. She's a friend of
What
mine.
what noise is that?
Ma'am, you, okay, right, so, would like to finish what? You look like a best friend of my niece Prachi. That is exactly a person who is looking like you. So maybe consider my niece, please. And please, please allow them to give a chance to, ask them to give a chance to.
She's your opponent. Why?
No, I'm pleading, so for justice I can plead anybody. I want Prachi over here to speak what, maybe they can take her back to Prachi to market the expenses.
That's not a torture, sir. She's getting
Justice Chakravarti.
Your Honor, please.
Hey, hold on.
You want to call the Prachi?
I
Yeah.
want to call Prachi.
You yes. Call back second.
Okay. They both can ask any questions and Prachi.
Road sitting sir. Soldier.
Just call the Prachi.
Prachi. Sitting again.
Oh, Parachi.
Prachi.
May I ask some questions?
Why are you leaving?
Have or do not have features. You can't come here.
You can't come here. What is this?
Jack, they have tortured.
Why?
She's limping.
Why?
Come on, Prachi. Give us the
Do
word.
anything.
Yes, sir. What is this question?
Don't lie. I know.
Why should I like sir? What is the necessity for
Focus on the
making
case.
answer?
Continue.
Yeah, questions. Yeah. I have a question to you. So, you said that he was not poisoned.
Yeah, he was not poisoned.
How did he?
He had a lungs problem.
But that report was fake, right?
Which report?
The Shanti Malhotra.
Shanti Malhotra gave it as a pulmonary
That's fake.
pulmonary damage is lungs infection.
Yeah, that one was fake, right?
No, you brought Shanti Malhotra, the original version, and you are calling that report that is submitted.
We are original document.
We have original Shanti Malhotra.
Original document.
She was stabbed.
Chief Justice. Take it.
Lungs infection and he got stabbed.
Yeah.
And we did not do that.
So how did he know all this?
Your Honor,
We heard
We heard the news.
sir.
All the servants were also our victim.
But you came to know about the case only when you came here, right? You didn't even know for what we brought you here.
Yes.
How did you know that he was stabbed?
It was flashing in the news. He is such a
Then why didn't you know that?
I was giving a
what
fake impression as if I did not
Yeah,
know.
why did you give that?
Thinking that you will be leaving me acquitting and I can escape.
Yeah, why do you want to resort to fake means to escape?
Excuse
Sir,
me, please stop arguing. They want to
Sir, please, sir,
That's not really
no?
You mentioned that you don't know nothing before you come here. You
yeah,
know
sir.
about slow poison.
He's faking, he's faking always.
He's fake.
That
I have your
was,
same
I was
question.
pretending as if I did not know
See,
anything.
sir, pretending.
Are you going to punish me for pretending?
Yeah, why are you always pretending? But wait,
Chief Justice, Chief Justice, the only thing I did is Mr. Justin is asking me lots of questions and that has put me into a state position of pretending and acting. Okay, if you want to punish me for that, if you would like to sentence me for death for that, I can even accept that, but please be honest.
I am asking you two questions. And why you are mentioning the escape? I want to escape from this court. And
Sir, our family is
I have to
every
take care of these two.
person
for what reason?
A 25-year-old young lady, a 24-year-old young boy, they are taking care, they have been taking care of me and I will have to do anything under the planet to safeguard them, right?
Every
What
accused
was
person.
safeguarding?
What for safeguard? What are you asking? Don't you have children?
Your Honor,
sir, one second.
Your
We're
Honor,
not going
please
to
don't
put you in jail right now. We're just asking you
and the
questions.
lawyer.
Why do you want to fake everything right now?
Sir,
They're also
every
asking, right?
accused person will have a guilty mind, sir.
Accused person, okay.
Accused person.
Guilty.
Guilty. The person who has the judge, the
Getting it.
Sir, the advocate and the judge and the police officer and that family have accused us.
So you're feeling guilty.
No, we are not feeling guilty. We are
Then why are you trying
feeling
to
very
fake
bad.
things?
Every person who comes,
Time to produce all the evidence. Okay,
who
let's produce
comes
the
to
evidence.
this court will feel that I have to escape.
We're not ready to believe all those
You are
things.
asking me
Okay.
to be guilty.
Sir,
Sir,
So far your side
they
is.
heard me.
Sir, police officer, sir.
Okay. So far you didn't get any evidence on your side.
Can you have a moment with my niece?
Okay.
Personal family.
What day?
What taking good things?
Ouch, sir. And wait,
Sir, sir,
Explain that
you're pointing at me.
excuse me, this might be a breach of the law. You're a friend of Prachi.
don't distract so
Why?
that
You're-
ask questions.
So what is this, sir?
Can you help us out, please?
Can you help us out? Sir?
Stop!
This is.
Stop this.
She's your friend. You must speak with her.
Sir, she's my
They are asking
niece.
help from her.
Excuse me.
Liar.
But he's
Liar.
the audience.
I've been arguing from a long
They're not having any cricket match.
Okay, that is. Let us speak with us.
Mr. Tilak, Mr. Chakravarti, Mr. Philip, Mr. Mr. Edwin, Mr. Tilak, and Mr. Reddy. She's my niece's friend.
Please, my
I don't care about it. Wait, continue. Proceed.
You are a girl.
Sir, to be honest, I'm a friend of Prachi, sir.
That's not needed.
Sir, that is needed, sir.
It is a conflict of interest.
Sir, it is a conflict of interest.
Do you want
and-
anything to investigate?
Sir, she can be a she can be a relevant support.
Okay, then stand back.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
They are speaking now.
Sir, more than the
Okay,
lawyer, she can be a
okay.
relevant. Okay, right. So,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay, ask her the questions. Right.
You stay back. Sir, stay back. Make him stay back. What is he doing?
No.
First of all, why he make you
So,
why
Savitri is fake.
Savitri, what Savitri?
That man's name is Savitri.
No, Savitri is my friend. Name Rashi.
Hey, my friend there.
No.
That's somebody else. That's somebody else.
He's going to conflict.
Assistant
Surya.
Hey, when
Yes, besides,
Okay,
yes,
okay,
besides,
looks like Mr. Tilak has
I have some
something.
upsetting news.
What's that?
I have just received page number 4 in my digital diary. See, in the digital notebook, whatever. See this? This is the autopsy report, the official autopsy report by the coroner of this court of Mr. Surendra's body.
I can see his body picture over there.
Stamps, right?
What's the body picture?
He was stabbed in the back.
Yeah.
See, but there was no trace of poison in him at all.
Yeah, that's what, sir. 1 second. Sir, even before the autopsy
Stand up.
came
Stand
right now, just now, right, sir? So even before it came, he knew that he was stabbed. How is it possible, sir?
Because everyone knew it was stabbed, it was released in the news officials and please let me finish. It was mentioned in the first information report of the police also.
Sir, but he was inside the court at that time, sir. He didn't even.
Sir, news came out that Surendra died a week before this, a week before yesterday.
So, but he didn't even know about the news.
Sir.
That was the
I told you, I confess myself that I gave several lies. That is all.
But a chance is given to investigate reports.
Excuse me, when will you give me a chance?
Okay, sir, let him go first.
Don't
You
make
can,
it
you
difficult.
won't get chance.
No, let him speak first.
What is this?
Give us evidence that you were stabbed in the back by any of these people.
That is up to you not to prove that they didn't do it. It's not our business to try and make
Then
get
you
evidence
give
for
us
it.
Sir.
evidence.
Like, send it. Can you send it to the province?
Already done said there's no trace of any of
What
these
are you
three
doing?
members.
You
Right
never-
now,
no
you're supposed to do
evidence
it
now.
before.
Sir, nowadays the autopsy report came.
Sir, forensic
Right.
report is included.
Please. Now I'm going to take the role of Darshan Siddharth and give a demonstration of how this can be taken into photographs. So this is, I'm into Justin, I'm Justin. Okay?
Not the blame.
So,
Not the blame.
you're learning to do it.
Okay.
I'm going to.
Lakshmana, Ganpati, that's healthy.
What's it?
You
Yeah, but
I want you to see
Freeze.
that.
Chance.
Freeze. Freeze. Now I'm spinning off the role as Chief. I'm playing the role of Chief Justin. I'm going to stand somewhere over here so that you can see at least the side of my face when I'm talking to Kalpita and Mithun. So, Your Honor, with all due respect, I would like to seek permission from you I would like to seek permission for inquiring Ms. Kalpita over here. She is a police officer, and Jaglani has been frequently shouting that she is her friend.
That's it.
So can I?
Why
You
don't bring her
have
today?
got the right to remain silent. Mr. Jaglani.
Yeah, you can.
Thank you. How long have you been knowing Prachi?
Inspector Kavin, take him out.
When I am asking you the question, you can answer. Otherwise, Inspector Kaviraj will.
Hey, keep it down, keep it down.
Okay. Please.
Wait.
The whole year, 24 years old, and I know Prachi from my first year. We were neighbors and we were studying in the same school, same college, and now I am in this office.
Maybe I might be sounding a little bit different. Why have you been so much self-reliant in life and she has gone a waste of time?
What?
No offense. Miss Kalpita, this might be a little bit of a harsh kind of a thing that I'm doing for your friend, but you got to understand. Why have you been so productive? How come you are so productive in your life and she's not productive and she has become such
Not
a
productive. How
She's
can you
accused.
say
She's a criminal.
What is this?
Your Honor,
Be silent.
Your Honor, allow me to deliver the responsibility. And Mr. Pandey, you have a right to remain silent. And Mr. Kaviraj is a very lethal police officer, and he might be getting the special permission. Answer my question, Ms. Kalpita. Why have you been? How come you are so productive and she has become a criminal?
So that is first time.
She's not a criminal.
Excuse me, how do you know that she's a criminal? Please give me
You're not
a
Mr. Defense Lawyer, why did you come? Where did you come from? She has been a friend, and Jaglani was very proud about revealing that she is her friend.
Yeah.
You understand? And now, with the kind of the evidences, you
Please
are
stop being
not
naive.
supposed to speak in the interim of the investigation, Mr. What kind of proof you have that out of these three, I did not suspect somebody out of this particular plan in which there are three accused as well. What is the proof you have that even a defense lawyer could have been accused? Do you have any proof to defend yourself? Because with all the kind of relevant information we have got so far, things are narrowing down even towards you, right? What kind of, each time you are defending the family, you are not defending as a lawyer. I am seeing in your right eye, there is a lot of emotion and you are defending as a family member. So, that gives a suspect with all the kind of the learning that I have got from these senior people during my education tenure. We do calligraphy and face reading. You are very emotional. So, could you please defend yourself first? Forget about defending Kalpita, forget about defending Prachi and Pandey. Can you defend yourself? Can a lawyer? Sure. I'm sorry for the problem. Can you have a lawyer for yourself? See, you are shell-shocked and you are stunned. Do you have any answer for that?
You're saying that he's a criminal.
You could
How
also.
can you say that also?
How can you accuse a lawyer, sir?
And how can you see my hair?
With the interest of the court's discipline, for the next 5 minutes, only myself and the lawyer Jack will speak. I need your permission, Your Honor.
No, sir.
Everyone else mute.
And with all due respect, Mr. Edwin, I want some protection against. I want some protection from this Jaglani who can do it.
Please take it carefully.
Take it. I will send my special
In
secretary.
front of the Chief Justice, in front of all the other judge panel members. You are not supposed to speak in front of me and by having a close interaction.
Okay. Stop. You are coming in. Start your conversation. Sorry.
Sorry, Your Honor. Sorry.
Don't allow them to speak.
Your Honor, my question is very simple. I am
Mute.
submitting humbly in front of all the judge panel. I suspect Mr. Jack.
Sir,
How is this possible?
Honestly, mute.
Mute.
Give us the proof, sir.
Justice Edwin, it was only Mr. Jack that was available in the town when Surendra's murder was happening. That is the first proof, sir.
Any
Second
difference?
second proof, I would like to show you, there was a portal called as Snyder, and in that Snyder portal, Snyder International, So in the Snyder Hotel, he was staying for 3 days. And a busy lawyer like him, sailing around all through the country, how would he be spending 3 days in the Snyder, the hotels?
Proceed down, down, down. From down to the place.
That's his wish. He can stay anywhere he wants.
The hotel bills and Kalkita Street, who is standing here, the best friend of Prachi. She was also in town when Surendra's murder was happening. So, which also gives us a lead that this guy Jaglani was somewhere else. The Kalpita was giving the lead. Kalpita was giving the lead to Jack towards the murder, and Kalpita was also giving the lead to Prachi for going for the theft.
Sir,
Any defense?
Sir, she is speaking.
Raji was in Germany.
just because I was in the town, that doesn't mean I am the culprit or something else. There are a lot of people there. How can you suspect me alone?
Ma'am, you have been one among the police officers which have been put up as a protection battalion around Surendra's home, and you are the chief. Sir, thank you. And you are the chief. And you are having a very good access in Surendra's home. So which gives us the room that you could have entered or barged into Surendra's house, and you could have also been
Many
killed.
businessmen
Stop,
have.
stop. Defense lawyer. We have.
Now one second, let her finish.
Many businessmen have access to Surendra's home. Then can you accuse them? Go accuse them. Go call them to the court and let them also stand inside the court. Why?
Okay.
Yeah, chance.
Chief, Mr. Henry,
Chance to defense lawyer. Defense
Okay.
lawyer. Proceed.
Let me speak
you
now.
have the right to remain silent. Defense lawyer, you can speak.
Come on, Jack, come on.
Lot of differences. First thing first, I have gone to the town. Okay,